We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the YunTuo LED Beanie with a built-in rechargeable light. This product blends the warmth of a knitted winter cap with the practicality of a bright LED headlamp, making it a unique and useful accessory for cold weather activities. The beanie is designed as a unisex item, fitting comfortably on both men and women, and is available in several colors, including a calm blue and a striking red. It is made from soft, stretchy knitted material that offers both warmth and comfort, suitable for outdoor use in chilly conditions. The LED light integrated into the front of the beanie is USB rechargeable, which eliminates the need for disposable batteries and adds convenience for regular users. Users consistently praise the brightness of the LED light, noting that it has multiple brightness settings to suit different needs. Whether used for jogging in low light, walking a dog at night, working on cars, fishing after dark, or even food delivery in poorly lit areas, the light provides excellent visibility while keeping hands free. The rechargeable battery life is generally reported as good, though exact durations vary among users. The light module can be removed easily for charging and features a red indicator light during the charging process. Despite its brightness and functionality, the light does not add significant weight to the beanie, and it stays securely in place during use, even when the wearer shakes their head or moves vigorously. The beanie itself is noted for its comfortable fit, with some users highlighting that it fits snugly even on larger heads. The material is soft yet sturdy, giving the impression of a quality build that is not cheaply made despite the affordable price point. Many reviewers have expressed satisfaction with the warmth and wind protection the hat provides, making it suitable for winter weather and outdoor activities. The unisex design and color options also contribute to its appeal as a gift item, with several users reporting giving it to family members or friends who have found it very useful. One minor drawback mentioned by some is that the light module can feel slightly bulky during extended wear. While this does not cause discomfort for most, it is something to consider if planning to wear the beanie for long periods. Additionally, the beanie is not waterproof, so it is not recommended for use in rainy conditions. This limitation is important for those who may want to use it in all weather types. Delivery is generally prompt, and the product arrives in good condition, ready to use. Overall, the YunTuo LED Beanie offers a clever combination of comfort, warmth, and practical lighting. It is particularly well suited for outdoor enthusiasts, night workers, and anyone who needs hands-free illumination in cold weather. The rechargeable feature adds convenience and eco-friendliness, while the bright LED light outperforms typical headlamps in terms of comfort and style. For the price, it represents excellent value, with many users reporting high satisfaction and even repurchasing the item. If you have this beanie or decide to try it, leaving a review in the comments will help others make informed decisions. Remember to use the product link in the description to support the channel and find the best current price and availability.